Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan targets corona vaccination for 70 million people by year end. The procurement of vaccine has become problematic even for developed countries, but Pakistani authorities have envisaged targets to ensure vaccination for 70 million people by end of this ongoing calendar year. NCOC orders immediate closure of OA level classes due to COVID-19 spike. The National Command and Operations Center has issued directives to close O and A level classes as well as regular academic session from grade 9 to grade 12 in private schools due to the rise in COVID-19 cases. Fire kills 82 at Iraqi COVID hospital. Health minister suspended. More than 80 people died Sunday in a fire that ripped through an Iraqi COVID-19 hospital, sparking anger and prompting the suspension of top officials in a country with a long depleted health infrastructure. India shaken by coronavirus storm. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged all citizens to be vaccinated and exercise caution, saying on Sunday the storm of the infections had shaken India as the country set a new global record of the most number of COVID-19 infections in a day. Top US commander in Afghanistan says steps to end military mission launched. The commander of foreign forces in Afghanistan US Army on Sunday said an orderly withdrawal of foreign forces and the handing over of military bases and equipment to Afghan forces had begun. UK lawmakers call for PM Johnson to publish Big Pharma lobbying messages. British lawmakers on Monday called on the government to publish all communications with pharmaceutical companies to understand if private lobbying influenced its opposition to a waiver of intellectual property rules for COVID-19 vaccines. US to provide vaccine components, medical supplies as India battles COVID-19 spike. The United States will immediately send raw materials for COVID-19 vaccines, medical equipment, and protective gear to help India respond to massive surge in coronavirus infections, US President Joe Biden said on Sunday. Global coronavirus vaccinations pass 1 billion mark. The global tally of coronavirus vaccinations administered to people passed the 1 billion mark on Saturday despite a surge in infections across many countries of the world. Southeast Asian leaders reach consensus on Myanmar crisis. Stressing an end to the violence, the leaders of Association of Southeast Asian Countries reached a 5-point consensus on the Myanmar crisis, according to a joint statement. Long-delayed Hong Kong-Singapore travel bubble to begin on May 26. A long-delayed travel bubble between Hong Kong and Singapore will begin on May 26. The two cities announced on Monday as they moved to reestablish overseas travel links and lift the hurdle of quarantine for visiting foreigners. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.